Welcome back to Hagpok's travel vlog. Today we're exploring the heart of Palawan, Puerto Princesa City. From history to culture, and a little bit of food trip, this day is all about discovering the stories behind the city.
Our first stop was the iconic church in the city, a beautiful cathedral built in a neo-Gothic style. But this place holds a deeper story. During World War II, the original structure was destroyed because the Japanese forces suspected that American soldiers were hiding nearby. Today, the rebuilt cathedral stands as a symbol of faith and resilience.
Just across the cathedral is Plaza Cuartel, a historical site that will give you goosebumps. This was once a garrison, and during World War II, around 150 American prisoners of war were burned alive here by Japanese forces. Now it's a memorial park, quiet, peaceful but heavy with history.
Then we visited the Butterfly Garden. Here, we got to see colorful peacocks, the adorable Palawan bearcat, guppy fish, and many other interesting species.
Po ay buntis. Yan. Ilang days na lang po ay lalabas na po yung kanyang babies. Sa likod po nagkakaroon ng babies yung Malaysia scorpion. Wala silang makeup ng lalaki. Pero yung lalabas na egg ay babae. No. They are totally harmless. Good indicators sila ng good environment. At pag meron pang gasto sa environment nyo, ibig sabihin kayo ay nasa healthy environment. Malaran stampede. Yung lalaki po ay yung malaki at yung maliit naman po ay babae. They are the strongest beetle in the world according to them.
Pero wala niya sa akin yan. Wala.
But what makes this stop special is the cultural experience. You'll meet members of indigenous tribes, learn about their traditions, and even watch a short cultural presentation. It's not just a tour, it's a connection.
First one, Tagbanwa tribe from the central to north of Palawan. Second is Batak tribe from the northern part of Puerto Princesa. At yung pangatlo, sila na po yun yung Palawan tribe from the southern part of Palawan. If familiar po kayo sa Tabunman, sila po yung possible descendants. Dito po nila nilalagay sa loob ang kanilang produktong batik, then pagpuro na tinatalian po nila sa likod hanggang sa taas. So pag mabigat daw po ang kanilang product, aside po sa shoulder strap, meron po siyang head support to carry even more weight of their product. Yung bakit po na ito ay kaya magdala ng at least 50 kg ng kanilang produkto, at yung nasa wall po na yun is one of the example. Ayan, so kapag visible na po ang kanilang target, they prepare this sa pukan o blue dart or sa Tagalog po yun ay sumpit. So tingin po tayo sa drawing pictures ng wall.
Tingnan mo yung... Uy! Golasay. Baby yung target nila.
Ayan, support. Ayan. So according to them, they can hit their target farther than 30 meters. So malakas, dapat malakas yung pag-blow po nila. At ang mga Palawan tribe po hindi gumagamit ng mga pana or bow and arrow. So gamit po nila ang sarili po nila sa pukan or sumpits. Dito sa Pilipinas, sila lang po yung tribo na gumagamit ng blow dart for hunting.
After that, we went uphill to Mitra's Ranch, one of the best viewpoints in Puerto Princesa. From here, you get a panoramic view of Honda Bay and the surrounding landscape. The place is owned by the family of former Senator Ramon Mitra, and it's perfect for relaxing, taking photos, or just enjoying the breeze.
Just a few minutes away is Baker's Hill, and this place is a mix of food, fun, and childhood nostalgia. It started as a simple bakery, but now it's a mini theme park with colorful statues, gardens, and even a small zoo. Most importantly, this is the perfect stop for Pasalubong.
Joshua,
Don't miss their
daw.
famous hopia,
Ayan, oh.
crinkles, and cashew
Yung
treats.
kulay green.
Pero inaalis ko at malaki yung damo.
Ayan siya sa ko. Ang haba ng tail nila, oh, ang ganda. Pag gumanon yan, pag nagalit, gumaganon sila eh. Ganda no, details.
Nahanap ko. Paano kaya natin patatalunin yan? Gaganon yung niya yung puwet. Paano kaya sila tapan?
Dati may nakita kami, nagbukas siya eh.
Sana may pagkain.
Hello!
Ayun yung papalaw.
Hello! Hello!
Yun ata ang mother
Bukas mo daw! Open daw, open! Hello! Open mo daw! Open mo daw! Patingin daw ng buntot mo. Patingin daw. Ayaw nyo? Pagod. Ala, natanggalan ka na ng pakpek. Koron yun eh, cashew. Sa koronte.
Alin na maganda yung ito?
Roasted, masarap. Grabe din na na-istante. Ay, fudge lang. Grabe sold out. Grabe sold out. Pareho lang yata. Ouch!
You did the same as react. Subscribe to Hagpod. Eat, travel, and repeat.